headed to Sorrento now, and it's an absolute nightmare. Listen, don't take a train from Naples to Sorrento. What's this? What is this? Oh, open. Oh. Good morning. Warm mornings on the water are my favorite. This is my happy place.
Mine too.
Yeah? And what about his?
Except I think I'm too pregnant to wear like a bikini.
This is our morning walk down to the beach.
Basically 300 steps.
300 steps, not bad.
It's great when you're walking down. When you're walking up, I don't know.
Walking up, not the best. We're a little late getting to the beach. I wanted to arrive at 8:30. Good morning, buongiorno.
It's really hard keeping up with everyone.
Sorry,
Can you
I'm
slow
trying,
down?
baby. I'm trying to walk slow.
That's slow? I'm like literally jogging.
I'm working on it. I like your fit. Yeah, it looks good. Looking
I'm
good.
so happy I'm still squeezing through my old clothes.
I got matching shorts too. Check them out. Apparently the water's still kind of cold, so I'm getting in anyways. But I think Alana, are you getting in?
Wait.
Okay, she's not getting in.
Nothing I hate more than cold.
Look at this. There's no better walk down to the beach. All right, we're going. So we made it to our bed. Here it is, right here. How's it look?
You think he can wear this?
No, he can't wear that. I'm sorry. Oh, next
So
time.
should we get it for this, like,
For the girl?
if we have a girl next?
What if it's a boy next and then a girl? We're
Then
gonna
I
keep.
can just save it till we have a girl. I can't handle the baby clothes right now. So
This is adorable.
this one is so cute. Ivor just got me the best slushie because he knows me so well. I don't even have to say I want something. He's just want to get water, and he was like, "Oh, like Alana would like this," and I love it. We're connected.
I found the slushie and I got it.
Yeah, like I don't have to ever ask for anything. Like, he knows it.
No, that's not true. You ask
No,
for things.
sometimes, but like sometimes you also know it.
Sometimes.
Like this time.
Just this time. So this might be one of the nicest restaurants we've ever eaten at before. Look at this. Check out that view. This is insane. It's crazy.
We're having lunch in Ravello. And it's really like a movie set.
It is a movie set. Check it out. All right, so we're looking for the terrace.
Has my hat been crooked all this while?
Yeah, you probably had a crooked hat. But we're looking for the Terrace of Infinity. Del Infinito. Something like that. You want some gelato?
I might get a lemon crumble.
Cream of the crop. What'd you get? Lemon.
Lemon. Since we're in the land of lemons.
It's of Ravello. I need to get my dad one of these shirts. I need to get him a dad shirt, you know? My dad loves printed shirts from places. Buddy.
Guys, this dog is here. This person's just kept
They're
this
pimping him
dog.
out, dude. Look at the thing.
I know, and like you need to pay to pet him
It's
basically.
messed up. He's like, dude, get me off this table, man. Take me out of here.
He's not having it.
Take me out of here. He's a cute boy. He's a cute boy.
So cute.
If you're coming to Positano, whatever you want to call it, make sure you bring good walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking, but not a bad place to have blisters on your feet. No, I took the bug out.
I know, but it's
No, it's fine. It's okay. It didn't touch your water. It touched the lemon.
The lemon does my water.
No, it's fine. Drink. It's good protein.
I was making me drink bug water.
I took it. I took the bug out.
Disgusting.
Our pizza has arrived. We're having dinner on a busy street. Every second there's a moped coming by. All right, let's try this again. I got the diavola, which is basically like a spicy sausage with just mozzarella and tomato. And then Alana got, what'd you get? Sausage,
I
potato.
got sausage, potato,
and
cheese.
What kind of cheese?
I don't know. You know, people here eat their pizza with a fork and knife.
Who?
Yeah, people eat pizza.
Who eats pizza with a fork and
I'm
knife?
telling you.
No, there's no way. That's weird. What are you doing?
We're literally eating at a mainstream. People are
Everyone's
laughing
looking at. Everyone's looking at us.
Oh yeah, just put your messy, crusty stuff back in mine, okay? Thank
So
you.
good.
Thank
Someone
you.
told me that if Italian does this to you, that's a good thing. But if they do this to you, that's
It's
a bad.
not this. It's this.
Oh, it's this.
What is this?
I don't know. I thought it was weird too.
If they do this, they never want to see you again.
Never want to see you again.
Where do you get this from?
Good morning, YouTube. We're on our way to the beach. We're in Capri, and it's beautiful.
I look like a blanket.
No.
I look like the living room blanket you use when you're cold.
Okay,
No,
you
I
weren't
think-
supposed to share that with anybody. That was between us.
Eating really good lemon candy that I got from Positano. It's so good.
Like, we're just traveling down these little roads. Like, they're just so cute, man. Little man doesn't even realize the kind of place he's in right now.
I know.
Guys, how much has Alana grown this trip? Like, look at this.
Big.
It's looking like a basketball.
It's like a
I
watermelon.
think it looks like a basketball.
It's more like a
Like, I could start bouncing it.
Sometimes, you know, you plan an outfit in your head and it's cute. And you put it on and you look like a blanket and it's fine.
It's fine.
You just rock the blanket.
You're pregnant.
okay.
Anything goes when you're pregnant.
People are smiling at me. I don't know if they're smiling at me because they think my outfit looks like a blanket or because I'm pregnant.
No, it's because it looks like you're carrying around a basketball. Look at this, dude. No, just stop. Let me get a shot.
You don't show my sneakers though.
No, I'll show you. Wait, you don't want your sneakers shown?
No, I don't.
Okay, I won't show your sneakers. You're
Please.
good.
It's so annoying.
Listen, so last night I found this restaurant on Google Maps. It had a 4.8 ratings. I was like, okay, it has to be good. Most beautiful walk up the hill to this restaurant. It's set on top, overlooking the ocean. We went at like 7 p.m. The food, how good was the food? The food was so
We didn't
good.
know. Well, we go back to our hotel and they were like, where did you go? And we were like, we went here. And they were like, oh, you went to the Michelin star. And we were like, that makes sense. It's a Michelin star. The food was so good. Guys, when you go to Italy, it's normal for people to bring out bread. It's like a normal thing, every restaurant. This place got us 7 different mini breads to try. One was shaped like lizard. It was
Yeah.
some crazy shit.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Crazy.
So we get these like tiny little tacos for the amuse bouche, right? And I eat it, and I was like, it's a meat tartare, which is basically a raw meat. And the guy comes back over, and I was like, what was that? He's like, oh, that was horse. I was like, what? I looked at him, and I was like, are you?
No,
I was
we
like-
literally thought he was
I was
joking.
like,
I was
you're
like,
telling
maybe it's
you're telling me how to say some horse, dude.
No,
I
was like,
felt
maybe-
weird.
I said maybe it's gonna be like seahorse.
No, yeah, I was like, it's definitely like a water horse.
Yeah, it's seahorse.
Yeah.
There's no way that they actually.
There's
serve
no
horse.
way that they just serve me horse.
And then I
And I asked, I Googled it, and it's a delicacy in India, or in India.
Oh
It's
my
a
God,
delicacy
they're
in
gonna kill you.
Italy. They don't breed horses to eat them, but the ones that are really old and can no longer work, they basically, well, you probably guessed what they do.
What freaked me out more was raw. I couldn't eat it. I did not eat the horse.
I just can't believe I ate raw horse.
He didn't know. Okay, let's be fair. He didn't know.
I didn't know. I definitely would not have eaten it if I knew it was
For sure.
horse.
Yeah, because you've grown up like riding horses.
No, I love horses.
They're like pets.
Yeah, they're like
You don't
dogs.
eat-
I
you
feel
don't
like I'd
eat-
be eating like a dog. Like, I don't know.
It looked identical to tuna. I was like, that's tuna. It's like a tuna taco.
I could not believe
And he's
it.
like, no, I think I heard them say something about it being a horse. And I was like, maybe he said horseradish. And he's like, okay.
That was rough. So that like semi ruined my. Come on now. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Babe,
Say that.
who says that? What's up, brother?
I don't know the guy's name, but I know you love him.
It's gonna be really fun walking up this.
Oh, it's like down there. Okay.
No, you thought it was up? It's a beach.
Giving him some support.
Oh, it's so cute.
This is super dangerous.
Alana's very worried about me just being like my natural self and like walking on things.
Natural self. Oh, we're at dinner eating pizza and I look up. I was like, oh, I'm going to take some footage. He is standing on the edge of a cliff. Like, if he falls, like, I don't even want to say this, but our child will be fatherless.
Dude, I'm not going to fall. Okay, so the beach
Club was closed.
club, yeah. I was gonna say cabana. It's closed.
There's like a really cool beach club. It's like iconic to Capri. It has like these blue umbrellas. It's actually closed. I thought it was open. And
now we gotta hike all the way back up.
but no, that wasn't a waste because we actually were coming down to shoot a few things. One was a brand deal, and we actually got some nice content. We got some bump content.
We got some stuff.
In my blanket. In my carpet blanket dress that actually didn't.
Your couch blanket?
Yeah, my couch blanket dress. It didn't turn out that bad.
I think we're in trouble. Like, this is up. Like, this is not a joke. Whew. Doing okay, baby?
Mm-hmm.
You alright?
Grab my hat.
Want a hat? Yeah, grab your hat. Alright, let's see you guys at the top. Wish us luck. We did our best. We did our best, you know? We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, so cute. And there it is, we made it.
Oh, she's really
We're done. You did really good, babe.
I'm telling you, there were some people that were not pregnant. They were huffing and puffing.
Yeah, that's true.
Just like that.
No, you definitely did it. You did the thing.